Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to log someone out of your Roblox account. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. The first thing you need to open up Roblox app on your PC guys. You can also do this on Roblox website as well guys. Once you are in the app or website, make sure you logged in with your correct account. You just need to click on this three dot icon over here and select settings. Select security. You just need to scroll down, click on logout of all sections. This action will sign out every device that ever been used to log into your Roblox account, including your own. You need to log back in after doing this guys. The same way you are in website, you just need to click on this setting gear icon and select settings. Click on security. The same way you just need to scroll down, log out of all sections. You just need to click on it, and after that you may need to log back in guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.